Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about a second lesson or a second chapter, that is a evolution of industry. Chapter second explain about the evolution of industry. Under this, there are three main portions. First one, a guild system. Second one, a putting out system, and third one, a factory system of a production. Now we will discuss about a guild system. What is the meaning of guilds? What are the types of guilds? And its origin? What's the meaning and definition of a guild system? Guild. A guild is an association of artisans. Guild is an association of artisans and merchants who oversees the practice of their crafts or a trade in a particular area. The earliest types of guilds formed as a confraternities of a tradesman or a tradesman, normally operating in a single city and covering a single trade. They were organized in a manner something between a professional association or a trade union and a secret society. They sometimes depended on a grants of letters patent from a monarchical system or other ruler to enforce the flow of trade to their self-employed members and to retain ownership of tools and supply of materials, but were generally regulated by the city government. A lasting legacy of traditional guilds are the guild halls constructed and used as a guild meeting places. So guild members found guilty of cheating on the public would be fined or banned from a guild. So guild system is an association of artisans. For example, it includes weavers, dyers, armorers, bookbinders, painters, bakers, leatherworks, embroidery workers, cobblers, means shoemakers, etc. etc. These were called craft guilds. There also were merchant guilds. There are two types of a guild system. One is a craft guilds and second one is a merchant guilds. Merchant guilds controlled the way trade was handled in the town. Craft guilds in a village area. Guild system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಸಂಘ, artisans guild and merchant guilds. There are two types of guilds. Craft guilds means ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುವಂತಹ weavers, dyers, bakers, leather works, cobblers, embroiders, etc. ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಟೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. The association of merchants or craftsmen who followed the same profession came to be known as guilds. ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು 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 ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಂಘ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. These guilds were generally found in the medieval period. The main reason why these guilds were formed was the protection of associate members. The guilds in extreme conditions provided work to the members. And early guild-like association. In ancient society, the guilds like association. A type of guild was known in Roman times, known as a collegia. Collegia or a corpus. These were organized groups of merchants who specialized in a particular craft and whose membership of the group was voluntary. One such example is the Corpus Navicularium, the college of a long distance shippers based at Rome's La Ostia port. The Roman guilds failed to survive the collapse of the Roman Empire. In the medieval cities or in the medieval period, the craftsmen tended to form associations based on their trades or their textiles or glass workers or any works or a guilds or organization whom controlled secrets of a traditionally imparted technology, the arts or a mysteries of their crafts. Usually the founders were free independent master craftsmen who had opportunity or who had a apprentice. And there were several types of guilds, including the two main categories of merchant guilds and craft guilds. Merchant guilds ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಸಂಘಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಗಿಲ್ಡ್, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಸಂಘಗಳು ಇರಬಹುದು. ಗಿಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ arose beginning in the high middle ages as craftsmen and united to protect their common interest. In the German city of Augsburg, craft guilds are mentioned in the town charter of 1156. The continental system of guilds and merchants arrived in England after the Norman conquest, with the incorporated societies of merchants in each town or each city holding exclusive rights of doing business there. In many cases, they became the governing body of a town. There were several types of guilds, including the two main categories of merchant guilds and craft guilds, but also the fourth guilds and religious guilds. Guilds arose beginning in the high middle ages as craftsmen united to protect their common interest. The guild system became a target of much criticism towards the end of the 18th century and the beginning of the 19th century. Critics argued that they hindered free trade and technological innovation, technology transfer, and business development. According to several accounts of this time, guilds became increasingly involved in simple territorial struggles against each other and against free practitioners of their arts. So this is a guild, declining of the guild system. So here guild system means it is an organization, the weavers organizations or a business or a merchants organization. Okay.